A top story coming in from the Parliament. There's pandemonium yet again over the Pegasus issue. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla is now giving a warning to the members of Parliament for unruly behaviour, warning of punitive action. Yesterday, remember, even papers were torn, flung in the air, thrown at the chair and treasury benches by opposition members of Parliament who had created that ruckus and commotion. Now, the government, meanwhile, has reached out to the opposition. Union Minister Piyush Goyal met opposition floor leaders in Mallikarjun Kharge's room and there was a discussion over a cup of coffee. The opposition, however, did not give any assurance that the House will continue to resume or function. Earlier in the day, both leaders of the Houses of Congress are meeting separately to prepare a strategy on how to corner the government in the issue of the Snoop Gate. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi has hit back at Rahul Gandhi, saying that his charges on the Snoop Gate are imaginary and aimed at only to stall the proceedings of the House.
There cannot be point of...
कल दिनांक 28 जुलाई को जो सदन में घटना हुई है उसे मुझे अत्यंतिक पीड़ा हुई है। आसन पर पर्चे फेंकना, आसन की अवमानना करना हमारी संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है। क्या आप कल की घटना इस संसदीय गरिमा के अनुरूप मानते हैं? क्या इसे न्यायोचित मानते हैं? हम सबको सामूहिक रूप से निर्णय करना होगा कि हम कैसे इस सदन की गरिमा और सम्मान को बढ़ा सकते हैं।
बीजेपी खुद तो लोकतंत्र को धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं। अगर ऐसा ना होते तो पेगासस की मुद्दे पे चर्चा करने में उनका डर क्यों होते हैं? मोदी जी आप क्यों डरते हो? अमित शाह जी आप क्यों डरते हो? सारे देश आप अपने कब्जे में है, सरकार अपना साथ है, तो क्यों पेगासस जैसे मुद्दे जो विपक्ष लोगों ने बार बार गुहार लगाते हैं कि इसको पहले चर्चा किया जाए, क्योंकि पेगासस के चलते हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सुरक्षा और नहीं बच पाना है।
जो बीएससी में तय हुआ था 3 सब्जेक्ट, हम उन पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं। और अगर वो राज्यसभा में पेपर फाड़ेंगे जिसपे उनको पता है कि पेगासस का अगर पेपर पढ़ा जाएगा, सो मोटो स्टेटमेंट होगा तो उस पर चर्चा होगी। इसका मतलब चर्चा तो विपक्ष आता ही नहीं है ना।
Let's go across right outside the Parliament. My colleague Anand Patel is now joining me. Anand, 2 straight questions. One, did any function, any proceeding take place today at the Parliament at all? And secondly, is all this commotion primarily aimed at Pegasus and the Snoop Gate still?
Well, absolutely. That's the prime focus, Pooja, as far as the opposition is concerned. They want to keep highlighting the Pegasus snooping issue and corner the government over it. We have seen how the entire opposition has united. They are also sending in joint adjournment motion notices, at least 2 adjournment motion notices separately from the Congress party as well to discuss Pegasus. But as we have just heard from both the sides, they are both sticking to their stands. The centre has been repeatedly saying that it is ready for discussion, but the opposition leaders are claiming that the centre is ready to discuss everything else but not Pegasus snooping, because it is involved in illegal snooping of people sitting in important institutions. So that is where the tussle is, and that is what has led to this logjam. We have seen question hour being conducted in Lok Sabha in the morning amid slogan shouting and sloganeering from the opposition MPs. They're trying to use the placards in front of the cameras. Whosoever is speaking, be it the chair or the minister replying. But that has not stopped the functioning of Lok Sabha since 11:30. The question hour continued. In Rajya Sabha also there were disruption. But interestingly, Pooja, yesterday
Yes.
amid din, 2 bills were passed in Lok Sabha which had led to acrimonious scenes in Lok Sabha, with the MPs flinging papers and placards at the treasury benches and the chair. The speaker has warned them, and he has also warned that there will be action taken if that unruly behavior is repeated. Again, 2 bills are listed today in Lok Sabha, Pooja, let me tell you, and it remains to be seen as to what will be the opposition strategy. Will we witness similar scenes like yesterday, since the opposition is hell-bent at stopping the government from passing bills amid din? So wait and watch for that those bills to be introduced in Lok Sabha.
Thank you so much, Anand Patel, for all the latest on that. Remember, there is even a war of words between the members of parliament over the Pegasus and Snoopgate controversy. So what's happened is that while this controversy continues, the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the parliament, at least has the proceedings resumed. We'll just cut across to that. Let's take a look.
I articulated our position at a press conference that I jointly held with the visiting Secretary of State. We were very clear that there must be a negotiated political settlement in Afghanistan, that there cannot be a military solution, there cannot be a takeover by use of force in Afghanistan.
Mr. Dipendra Hooda, please, Mr. Dipendra Hooda, प्लीज आप हाउस की मर्यादा का पालन करें, बैक पीछे करके ना, बैक इधर ना करें, प्लीज.
That we will work with the international community to ensure that negotiations, political negotiations for a settlement are pursued seriously, and we would never accept any outcome which is decided by force. And I think there was a very strong convergence in our positions, India and the United States, on this matter.
Mr. Sujit Kumar.
Sir, yesterday, after meeting the US Secretary of State, Honorable Prime Minister had tweeted, and I quote part of the tweet, I welcome President Biden's strong commitment to strengthen Indo-US strategic partnership, unquote. Sir, since there was discussion on Quad, and in the context that China has now indulged in massive propaganda in the Indo-Pacific, I think that government of India is shying away from countering the Chinese propaganda. So, sir, from you, through you, I wish to know from the government, what is the government doing to counter the Chinese false narrative?
So that is the commotion that you can watch again in the Rajya Sabha. Remember, there are a lot of bills that are waiting to be cleared, waiting to be discussed. I want to go across to Anand Patel. He's been tracking all the latest from inside the parliament. Anand, there are ministers who are making statements. There are many other issues also that need to be addressed. So what precisely is making the opposition so angry? Is it that there's no discussion on Pegasus, or they will just not let the parliament function to make a point?
Well, yes, Pooja, it's a joint strategy of the opposition parties. Some 14 parties have come together. We saw a joint press conference also addressed by Rahul Gandhi, that unless and until the government comes clear on the Pegasus snooping issue, unless and until it agrees for a discussion, the House will not function. The opposition MPs will continue to create ruckus. And in Rajya Sabha, where you just see how the opposition MPs are trying to create ruckus, because the numbers are almost equal between the NDA as well as the opposition. So that is the reason why more pandemonium is seen in the Rajya Sabha. Although yesterday a bill was passed there also, and today also not much of business is listed for Rajya Sabha. Pooja, let me tell you, only one bill is listed in Rajya Sabha. Remains to be seen as to whether that will see through. But yes, the manner in which the opposition MPs are creating ruckus, it is very clear that opposition has a very clear strategy to stall the proceedings, not allow the House to function, not allow the usual business to take place, unless and until the government agrees and bends to their pressure on allowing a discussion on Pegasus, which seems very, very unlikely. This is reminding of the UPA era days when on 2G and an entire winter session was washed out.
Anand, thank you so much for the latest on that. So it appears that the opposition is not going to bow down, at least on the Pegasus Snoopgate issue. Rahul Gandhi has said that this was a weapon used against India. All of our phones are being tapped and snooped upon. The government says cannot really have a discussion at this point. Several other issues in the line. Now, what has happened is, because of the Pegasus Snoopgate issue, there is a war of words. Member of Parliament from Jharkhand, from the BJP, Nishikant Dubey, has alleged that Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra called him a Bihari Gunda, a Bihari goon, during the IT parliamentary standing